If you're looking for an oil tank replacement service in East Anglia, then look no further than P&D Tank Services Ltd. As a family-run company, we offer everything you could need in an oil tank replacement service. Our specialists use quality products to provide the very best service to our customers. Our expert team are Off-Tech trained and registered. This means we can self-certificate on our installations without having to contact building control. On completion, you'll receive a completion report, which includes details of our 6-year workmanship warranty. We are also licensed waste carriers, so we're able to dispose of all associated waste that's produced in the removal or installation process, including contaminated oil and water. We are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to help with any problems you may have with a steel or plastic oil tank. Our friendly and helpful customer care team are on hand to ensure you're happy with our service. We can supply and install oil tanks for domestic, agricultural or commercial use, and we can even fabricate steel tanks for specific installations. Our tanks offer excellent value for money. We offer free tank inspections, free site surveys and no obligation quotes. As well as our competitive pricing, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail, organisation and cleanliness. P&D Tank Services Ltd, your oil tank replacement experts in East Anglia. Give us a call or visit our website today.